Hello, I am a hedgehog. I am small and cute. I have many spines on my back. Don't worry, I am friendly. I live in the forest.
I like to eat insects, worms, and fruit. I am smart and clever. I have many tricks and wisdom. I use them in life to survive.
I want to tell you a funny story. One day, I was walking in the forest. Suddenly, a big fox saw me. He said, I want to eat you." I was scared, but I had an idea. I rolled into a ball with my sharp spines. The fox tried to bite me. Ouch! He hurt his mouth. The fox ran away very fast, and I was safe thanks to my little trick. So remember, friends, sometimes a smart trick is stronger than big teeth.
I want to share a little wisdom with you. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we must wait. Sometimes we must move slowly. But remember, patience makes us strong. Patience helps us grow. So be patient. Good things will always come in time.